My name is Giusy and I moved from Italy to Vlissingen, Netherlands to study tourism management at the HZ University of Applied Sciences. Together with some other students, I found a way to create an accessible space for HZ students, where they can talk with each other and share their thoughts. I want to help people, as simple as it sounds. Making people happy is also a big part of tourism. That is why I chose to study tourism management in the first place, besides getting to know new cultures and the opportunity to travel a lot. Everybody deserves an holiday, sometimes to relax and enjoy the moment. It's good for your mental health. At the same time, tourism could be a very polluting industry. That's why sustainability is so important. This is one of the most interesting topics of my bachelor. It's your future.